Hey guys, so I just filmed my apartment tour. That vlog or that tour will be up. It was just a very casual, you guys know moving is a big pain in the booty. I have been busting my butt unpacking, trying to get rid of a lot of Raydon that I don't want anymore, that we were just collecting just because we wanted it. So yeah, now we're stuck with a bunch of Raydon that I need to get rid of. So that's what I've been working on. I'm going to move the twins' beds underneath Zoe and Zia's beds. We're still shopping around for, like I said in the last video, for the trundles, because it's just gonna save space for when the twins aren't here. When they do come here, we'll just pull them out and then they'll each have their own bed. We did see a couple of them that we liked. Like I said, the ones from IKEA were kind of like, I don't know. I don't think they're gonna work because the mattress for the trundle for the IKEA beds is like this thin, and that's not gonna be comfortable. So yeah, the kids, what time is it? It's almost 1 o'clock. The kids just had lunch. They had one requested ramen noodles and the other one wanted rice. Zia always loves rice and Zoe loves her ramen. They had breakfast this morning, which was fruit. What else has been going on? The dogs have been crazy. You can hear them. And I have just been moving things around. I still have to build their easels. So that's what the kids are doing. All of the kids.
Hi. Hi.
I just brought the dogs in from outside. I let them out because they wanted to go pee everywhere today. So that's been a headache. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to move the beds underneath, the twins' beds underneath Zoe and Zia's bed. You guys saw in the last video, this is pretty much what it looks like. And just to let you guys know, I am wearing the same shirt because it is the same day. I just did that video early this morning. And now I've just been cleaning and stuff. So I have not even showered today, you guys. I've just been trying to organize a bunch of stuff. So right now I'm gonna move the beds and then I'm gonna build their easels. All right, so this is what it looks like right now.
Hi.
They have more space. You can see the other sheets underneath. I guess I could have taken them off, but it's okay. Do you like it better like this?
Yeah.
Is there more room?
Yeah, I just go make my bed.
Okay. Now I need to put this thing together.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards.
It hasn't even been 5 minutes and they already destroyed their beds. But I did manage to get one of these together. I don't know if the paper goes on that side to come over the chalk or on the other side, so whatever, I can just flip it. I don't know really what way it goes because it doesn't really show on the picture. But yeah, destroyed already. You're gonna put those on?
Yes.
Yes.
I did draw the
Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Harry necklace.
Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls.
Hey guys, so it is 2:47. Hubby is on his way home, so I'm gonna make him his favorite, which is the Trader Joe's orange chicken and vegetable fried rice. So I'm gonna get to cooking that for him, and then I'm gonna run over to my mom's and drop off her phone. I think I mentioned that we added her to our plan. I just put a little bit of makeup on because I'm just really just going there and coming right back because I don't want to get into all that traffic when I'm on my way home. She lives about 30 minutes out of the city.
Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about it. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing.
All right, you guys, so that is the end result. I served him this. He's still not home. He went to go get some waters and toilet paper. And then this is just the leftovers. The girls aren't hungry right now, and I'm not hungry right now, so we'll probably eat this when I get back from dropping off the phone to my mom. But yeah, this orange chicken from Trader Joe's is so good. He could literally eat it every day. So that's what I made him. So it's ready for him when he gets here. Guys, so it is 7:38. I got back home probably at around 6:30, 6:45. It took me longer to set up my mom's phone because she doesn't have internet at her house, so I had to use the car's Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi in our car, so I had to, you know, when you first set up an iPhone, because I like reset all of my information on my old phone, that way she could have her own Apple ID and like all of that jazz. So it took me longer because I had to sit in the car to do it. And then I had to set up a new email because my sister, who set up her other email on her phone, couldn't remember the password, and it wasn't like a hot mess. It was just a little time consuming. And then somehow her Facebook got signed out of. My mom has Facebook now, which is so weird. Like, all she does is just scroll. She doesn't know how to reply or respond or do anything. My mom's old school. So I'm hoping that with this iPhone, she will love it more than the one she had. She used to have Cricket. She had Cricket for a long time, and she's an Android user. So she had an Android, and her phone was like very old. And so yeah, hubby and I decided that we were going to put her on our plan and just pay her phone bill for her. So I gave her my old phone instead of like selling it back to AT&T or whatever, the Apple store, or however that works. I ended up giving her my old iPhone 10 Plus, and she already canceled her services on the other phone. So I was showing her the basics while I was there. Hopefully she can get the hang of it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.